Now we have a new update to the dashboard that is really just going to put the spice right on it. Now you can have customizable dashboard elements, including titles, text boxes, and images. This feature introduces all of these new elements that enhance the customization and organization of your dashboard. As far as benefits go, this is going to help you with enhanced organization. Now you can easily add titles to different sections of your dashboard so that you can easily see what you're looking at very quickly. It's also going to provide informative text boxes to include instructions, to-do lists, or any other valuable information, and you can have that directly within your dashboard. It's also going to improve the visual appeal. This is going to incorporate images to make your dashboard visually engaging and informative to both you and to your team. As far as practical use, when managing a membership community, you can actually use text boxes to provide updates or instructions, including title elements, so that you can clearly label sections and images to visually represent the data or highlight important information right within your dashboard so that you and your team can easily find the information you're looking for. So first, we're going to be in the main area of our navigation, and we're going to make sure that we're on the dashboard. And then you're going to click the pencil icon to edit. Now you're going to click on Add Widgets. Now let's go ahead and add titles to the dashboard. That's going to be under Elements and then Title. Now you're just going to type in the title, the current date, the dashboard name, anything extra that you'd like to have here. You can customize this text with the title, the color, the background color, and even the alignment. You can even add images to your dashboard. It's also under Elements and then under Images. Go ahead and configure that image. Go ahead and title it and set that image. Now, if you'd like to add some additional text boxes to your dashboard, you're going to go under Elements and then Text Box. You can add that text and anything else. You're going to go ahead and format it. You can add bullet points, everything that you need. Now go ahead and view the text, image, and the text box in your dashboard. This feature allows you to create a more organized, informative, and visually appealing dashboard, enhancing the overall user experience right within your CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.